In this video, we will explore two distinct types of trading strategies: those that yield results in the short term and those that provide lasting benefits. Today, I am excited to share a method that, when mastered, will consistently deliver reliable outcomes. There are times when I find myself short on funds for essential expenses, and I have developed a systematic approach to address this. My process involves a few key steps. First of all, I open a top indicator from AlgoAlpha. Second of all, I log into my pocket option account. Third of all, I make 3-4 cool trades. And the fourth, I withdraw the profit. I will teach you how to trade like me if you watch the video till the end. I am confident that you may not have encountered this particular approach to analysis and monetization. Well, let's move right down to business. We have the first signal. Now we are going to make a trade with you. For 2 minutes, I will gradually tell you where we are going to start today, how to trade with this tool, and why it is so great. First of all, we will need to create a free account on the TradingView platform. Once you have created one, you open any chart to full screen, and the most important thing here is to add all the currency pairs that are on your platform. That is, I trade on pocket options. I add all assets without the OTC label. I mean ordinary pairs like euro dollar and so on. And the same assets I add on TradingView. For this, I click here on the plus, select Forex, and write the name of your currency pair. Let's say euro dollar, and from any supplier, we can add this currency pair. We click here on the plus, go in the data chart, and the chart on our broker are absolutely the same. You can compare it yourself. Now the matter is left for little. We just need to add this cool automatic indicator on which we will soon get a profitable trade. To do this, we go to the indicators panel, and here we write the name of the author, AlgoAlpha. And this indicator is called TrendSignal. We add it with one click, and accordingly we get signals from this indicator. The signal we had on this currency pair. The signal came down. We reacted so fast and opened a trade. Of course, it could have been opened a little more profitable, but in 5 seconds, it will close and bring us $92 of profit. But while we are trading here, my robot has sent us 4 signals, and all these 4 signals closed in plus. By the way, please note that these signals have a time frame of 15 minutes, which means that you have plenty of time to open a trade on the signal and get identical results. And this is, by the way, the daily signal statistics of this robot. Let's refresh the page with you. Here you can see its results for each day. Let's say that today we have 14 pluses and only 4 minuses. This is a very good statistic. If you want to test it out, follow the link from the description. So we have the following signal. Here I will open a short trade for a minute because we already have a rather aggressive growth and it can continue. But I think it will not be so long. At least we can update this high. We have a signal to go up here, and the indicator is a classic area where the chart is usually located. As soon as we get out of this area, we can get an imbalance in the market, and thus we get a signal. I mean that we usually enter the trade on the next candle after the signal, and at least 1 or 2 Japanese candles after the down signal or after the up signal we can take with you. Here, it is necessary to be very careful with the time of the trade, to feel the market correctly and to choose the time frame, because let's say now our trade may close unsuccessfully. We will have to open 2 more trades. I will open 2 trades at once. I think that the upward trend will continue, but we did not have enough time to support this trend. All in all, not a bad trade. The market continues to slowly rise, but I think we haven't reached its full potential yet. So let's open another up trade as well. So we have in a second closes candle. I set the time 1 minute to $100 and open a trade on the downside. Here the signal we have fully confirmed as the candle formed, and we on the next candle just enter the trade on the downside. There is a level at the bottom, but it is more of a magnet for us than an obstacle because we still have a distance to cover to this level. If the level would be right next to us, I would think about whether we should place a trade here or not. But so far, everything is working according to the plan. Wow, this is a very cool trade we got. We are just now updating this level, and maybe we will move in an upward direction. So we have the last signal. I think we'll place a trade here also for 2 minutes for maximum confidence, $200. Let's go. The signal comes at the exit of this gray area. We have already traded on this asset, and after the high we have a downtrend. So we are now essentially trading with you on the trend. Thanks to the steep and favorable entry point, we are getting with you another confident trade, X2 to the balance. Today we have got even a little more, and this is just what I need because now you can make a withdrawal request. Thank you all for watching this video. I sincerely hope that the strategies discussed will assist you in achieving your goals in pursuing important endeavors that you have been passionate about. I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Take care. Bye bye.